If you have a child who's a picky eater, it can make it a little difficult. Mackenzie Rockwood is here with tips and tricks to help us get them to eat healthy. Mackenzie, great to see you.
Good to see you too.
We just love having you here. Now, she's a registered dietitian and she started Citrus Pear, so she knows her stuff. If we have picky eaters, do you have any tips and tricks for us? Because it can make it so hard.
Yeah, this is coming from experience. I am a very picky eater. One of the things that we like to practice is division of responsibility. So it's the parent's job to provide the meal. It's the kid's job to eat it. I know that's very simplified, but in a nutshell, that's what it is. And we don't want it to be a battle of
No, we don't.
wills.
Because it can go on and on and on,
because we generally
right?
lose.
Yes.
So one of my favorite tips to do with our Citrus Pear meals is a lot of the meats, you have to take them out and shred them and then put them back in to get more flavor and make it stronger, which we like, but picky eaters don't love that.
Okay.
So when you take the meat out and shred it, keep some set aside for that picky eater, and then it'll be a little less intimidating.
Okay, so you've taken a meal, regular meal that you can get from Citrus Pear, and you've kind of turned it into 3 different things. What did you, it like a barbecue chicken?
Barbecue chicken, yeah. So hopefully this can hit all different palates, and then it shows some ideas that you can do through your week to repurpose dinner.
Okay.
So we have barbecue chicken sandwiches, just kind of your basic.
Okay.
You can do them on little flatbreads as barbecue chicken pizzas.
These are so cute, Mackenzie. Oh my gosh. I feel like a lot of kids would love
yeah,
this,
and they could dress it up however they want.
Yeah.
And then we're big noodle lovers in my house, so a barbecue chicken pasta.
That's a great idea.
And then just adding a simple side of like carrot sticks or grapes or anything simple to just get in that fruit and veggie is really helpful.
It was always great. Okay,
Yeah.
do you think it's important to eat together as a family? Because I feel like nowadays we're all on our tablets watching movies, like together as a family. How important is that?
Oh, absolutely. All the studies show, lower drug and alcohol use as teens, lower depression, better performance in school, so many things for your kids when they have family dinner.
Just to eat together. What if we want to learn how to cook better? Do you have classes for us to help?
Yes, so we have classes. I have a little station set up down here. When you come to a class, this is what it looks like, and we walk you through preparing between 10 and 40 meals.
Wow.
That all go from your freezer to your crock pot or your pressure cooker. So then you really can focus on that getting together as a family, not as much on what to make.
Getting together as a family. And then you don't have to worry about it, because the last thing you want to do at night, it's 6 p.m. Okay, what are we going to eat? I don't know. What do you want?
Yeah, and we want it to be healthy.
Yeah,
so
we do. Can we host private classes too? Is that an option?
So if you had like a group of friends or your family that you wanted to get together, just you can pick the menu and just come together as your group and prep together.
That's so fun. I love that. And if we don't have time to cook, can we order meals and have them like just delivered to us
Yes, so
too?
we can make the meals and deliver them straight to your door.
Okay, you're making it really easy for us. Do you have meals for people with like allergies or certain requirements?
So like you mentioned, I'm a dietitian and we have a team of about 30 dietitians, and we can modify for most any diet request that you have. So we really want to make it easy to eat healthy.
There's no excuse. Really, she's making it so easy for us. Mackenzie, where can we sign up for food?
citruspear.com, and we're on Instagram and Facebook.
You're a rock star. Thanks so much, Mackenzie. Great to see you.
Good to see you.